Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear out the storage on Androids. So I'm heading over to my files application, and in here there is an option of manage storage. Now here, if I show more, there are so many files. So if we want to delete the storage in here that is um taking a lot of space. As you can see, there are some unused apps that I haven't used in the past 30 days. If I head over there, it will show me the apps that I haven't used in the past 30 days. So I can just uninstall them from here and they won't be needed anymore. If I go back, there are some large files they show in here. You can head over there and delete them too. Some of the duplicate files are there or the multiple copies of the same files. So you can delete them too. So yeah, this is how you can just delete uh, other storage on Androids. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.